Hello everyone. This is a simulation of a dynamical system described by a singular Lagrangian. I expressed the equations of motion in Hamiltonian form using the Dirac-Bergman algorithm and solved them numerically as an initial value problem. The visualization uses Python with the VPython library. For those of you who are interested in singular Lagrangians and constrained Hamiltonians, I invite you to watch my recent lectures at the Center for Theoretical and Mathematical Physics at the University of Cape Town. Here are the links. One of the reasons that singular Lagrangian systems are interesting is that they include gauge theories like electrodynamics and general relativity. The dynamical system you're looking at now is a gauge theory. I used the Dirac-Bergman algorithm to express this system in Hamiltonian form and fix the gauge. The resulting equations are then solved numerically. The two singular systems shown in this short video are described in detail in my University of Cape Town lectures.